The third monitoring mode within the spectrum monitoring option is the mask deviation mode. This mode is slightly different from the min-max mode. Here, we will allow our received signal to deviate from the acquired reference within a safety margin that we will apply over and under the reference. Whenever the received signal surpasses any of those margins, an alarm will go off. In order to set up this mode, we will proceed in a similar way as in the min-max mode. The min and max thresholds define how many dBs of signal level margin we want to give our received signal under and over the acquired reference respectively. The rest of parameters have the same meaning as in the min-max monitoring mode, so we recommend you check that part of the tutorial video if you have any doubts about their meaning. Once we are done, we can press on the Acquire Reference button. We will be shown the reference, a spectrum trace containing 3 layers. The spectrum reference acquisition in the middle, and over and under it, the area within which the received signal will be allowed to deviate from the reference during the monitoring process. You can see 2 vertical black lines comprising the frequency band where the alarm conditions are supervised. Once we launch the monitoring task, we can check the signal level for any frequency between the start and end frequencies defined previously. Again, alarm notifications will be shown below the spectrum trace. If we move to the historical monitoring area, we can choose a time frame and extract the list of alarms that have gone off during that selected period. This list can be downloaded as a CSV file as well. If we click on any of the alarms, we will be shown the corresponding spectrum trace linked to that alarm, in the same fashion as explained in the min-max monitoring mode. Here we can see clearly which frequency was the offender that generated the alarm, having a clear and documented information about when these RF issues are happening and where. If we click on the first alarm column, we will be shown the spectrum trace at the moment the alarm went off, while when clicking on the second column, we are headed to the moment at which the alarm condition is not met anymore. We expect to show you soon more news related to the monitoring tool area, but for now, please come along with us and check the following video where you will see the spectrum monitoring task used in some real-field applications.